Hey there, thanks for checking out today's video. Today we're looking ahead to this week's vote on 1882 partnerships and what it could mean for 4 of our high schools next year. Plus a new campus close-up at Wheatley where this historic school is continuing its academic comeback. And important reminders including a hiring event, virtual info sessions, applications, and much more. It is Monday, March 23rd. Well, this week, the HISD Board of Managers is set to vote on the proposed 1882 partnerships. The board will consider approving contracts with nonprofit partners for 4 of our high-performing high schools: Houston Academy for International Studies, Challenge Early College High School, Energy Institute High School, and Kinder HSPVA. In short, these partnerships would give these schools more flexibility and access to additional resources, which would help expand programs and create even more opportunities for our students. We've been taking a closer look at each of these schools and how these partnerships could impact students and families. You can find those stories right now on our YouTube channel in this playlist for you. Now to some leadership changes in HISD with 2 new additions to our cabinet. Alyssa Murray Rocha has been named Chief Academic Officer, where she'll lead the district's academic strategy and efforts to improve student outcomes across schools. And Tony Cordova will serve as the Chief of Communications, bringing more than 20 years of experience to help strengthen how HISD connects with families and shares important information. In other news, this week we're heading to 5th Ward for our latest campus close-up, Wheatley High School, a campus rich in history, pride, and tradition. And the school is now writing a new chapter, undergoing a major transformation, especially when it comes to academics. The school now sits at a B rating, and school leaders say they're proud of the school's past and present as it continues to open doors for students through strong academic opportunities.
So when you talk about our academic programs and you think about, we have the culinary department and students are able to get an associate's degree. We're going to be starting an associate degree program for new incoming students, and our dual credit, we have offered University of Texas on-ramps. So even our academic program is going to be very interesting for kids to be able to come into this school. And then of course, you can just feel the history when you walk in the building.
I'll be sharing more stories from Wheatley all this week, so be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube so you can watch them all. Well, this past weekend, we hosted a district-wide teacher hiring event at Delmar. Qualified educators had the chance to meet with campus and district leaders, explore open positions, and even interview on the spot. Now, if you missed it, you still got a few more chances this week. First up, on Wednesday, March 25th, we're hosting a Teach in HISD virtual info session. Now, this is from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. You're going to hear about the application process, certification pathways, H-1B visa information, and much more. I'll drop a link to register in the video description. And then on Saturday, March 28th, we're back at Delmar for another district-wide teacher hiring event. This will be from 8 a.m. until noon. And for families of senior SPED students, mark your calendar. This week, our special education department is hosting the What Comes Next event at the Houston Food Bank. Now, this is a chance for you and your student to connect with community agencies and get connected to post-graduation resources and transition support. Now, this event is happening this Wednesday, March 25th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. again at the Houston Food Bank. Before we go, don't forget, applications to our virtual school called Virtual Launchpad are being accepted now through April 17th. Remember, this is not open to all students. You need to register first to see if your student qualifies. We're also still accepting applications for C. Martinez and Gregg Elementary, our 2 Future 2 schools that are opening next year under Accelerate Houston. And pre-K applications are still being accepted right now through April 17th. Go to schoolchoice.houstonisd.org for more information. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. Thank you for watching and connecting with us, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow. Have a good evening.